Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Story podcast. I'm Daniel, and I'm really happy you're here with us today.
Hi, friends. I'm Sarah. Thank you so much for listening and learning English with us today.
Sarah, before we start our topic, I want to ask you something important. How is your day going today?
My day is better now, but my morning was not very good.
Oh? That sounds interesting. What happened this morning?
Well, I was running late again.
Again? I feel like running late is part of your daily routine now.
Hey, I'm just being honest for our listeners. Real life is like this.
That's true. Real-life English is the best English. My morning, on the other hand, was very calm.
Calm? Really? Tell us more.
I woke up on time, stayed in bed for a few minutes, made some coffee, and sat quietly.
Wow, that sounds exciting.
Yes, extremely exciting.
Wait, explain your joke.
Okay. The joke is that my morning sounds boring, but I say it is exciting to mean the opposite.
Okay. I understand now. Simple joke, simple English.
Exactly. And that's what we like here. Simple, clear English for daily life.
So, Daniel, what is today's topic?
Today's topic is something everyone understands very well. Running late.
Yes, I know this topic very well.
Sarah, can you explain running late in very simple English for our listeners?
Sure. Running late means you are not on time. You will arrive later than you planned.
Perfect explanation. Now let's really practice it with a long mini-story.
Okay, I'm ready.
Imagine Sarah has an important appointment at 9 a.m. Maybe it's a work meeting.
Very important. My boss is there.
She prepares everything the night before. Clothes are ready. Bag is ready.
I feel prepared and relaxed.
In the morning, she wakes up on time and feels good.
So far, so good.
She plans to leave her house at 8:30, but at 8:15 she thinks, I have time.
That thought is always dangerous.
She checks her phone. She reads messages. She watches a short video.
Just one video.
Suddenly, she looks at the clock. It's 8:25.
Oh no!
She looks for her keys. They are not on the table.
Why are keys always missing?
She looks in her bag. Not there. She looks near the door. Not there.
I start to feel nervous and stressed.
Now it's 8:40. She sends a message. Sorry, I'm running late.
I send that message too many times.
And that's a perfect, natural way to use running late.
Yes, it sounds polite and friendly.
Much better than saying nothing.
Very true.
Now let's talk about another common word connected to this topic. Overslept.
Yes, because that happens to many people too.
Let's make another long mini-story.
I like these stories. They help me remember.
Imagine Daniel sets his alarm clock for 6 a.m. because he wants to wake up early.
Very responsible, Daniel.
But the night before, he stays up late watching videos and scrolling on his phone.
That always ends badly.
The alarm rings at 6 a.m. Daniel opens one eye.
Wake up.
He turns off the alarm and thinks, just 5 more minutes.
Dangerous decision.
He wakes up again at 8:30.
So he overslept.
Exactly. Overslept means you slept longer than you planned.
And when you oversleep, you usually feel stressed right away.
Yes, your heart beats faster, and you think, I'm running late.
That feeling is very real.
Now let's explain another word. Rush.
What does it really mean to rush?
Imagine you wake up late. You jump out of bed quickly.
No time to think.
You brush your teeth fast. You put on clothes fast.
Everything is fast, fast, fast.
That feeling and those fast actions are called rushing.
And when I rush, I forget things.
Yes, you forget keys, phone, wallet, or even your lunch.
That happens to me a lot.
Now, Sarah, what can we say when someone tells us they are running late?
Maybe no worries?
Exactly. No worries is very friendly and very common.
I really like that phrase.
Let's practice with another mini story.
Okay.
You send me a message. Sorry, I'm running late. There's a traffic jam.
Sorry, Daniel.
I reply, no worries. Take your time.
That feels calm and kind.
Yes, it means I understand. It's okay.
Daniel, what about the word schedule?
Good question. A schedule is your plan for the day.
My schedule is busy. Work in the morning, meeting at noon, dinner in the evening.
If one thing is late, your whole schedule changes.
Then everything feels rushed again.
And that's normal. Life is not perfect.
Friends, English learning is the same.
You don't need to learn fast.
Take your time.
No worries.
Just try not to oversleep your English practice.
Yes, please don't oversleep it.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us today.
We're really happy you're learning English with us.
Please come back next time for more easy English and friendly stories.
Until then.
Stay calm, keep practicing, and don't worry if you're running late.